What's up, TGN Sports? It's Jay, Morning After Kill, and we're here on NFL Blitz. I'm going to say that again. I'm here on NFL Blitz. It's been a long time since we had an actual Blitz game come out. The last Blitz games that came out, they were kind of like really weird simulation style. They were kind of like still rough and hardcore, but more of like an underground street way. This is more of like an arcade action game, exactly what you remember from Midway. And the reason why I'm saying Midway is because this game's actually owned by EA. And I haven't had a chance to play it online yet, so I can't really give you guys a review of how the servers are. It's an EA server, so we know it's probably going to suck ass online. But this game is an arcade game on Xbox Live. It's also on the PSN Marketplace. It costs about $15 or 1,200 Microsoft points. So, I mean, this game is pretty much well worth the money. I'm a big fan of NFL Blitz, and this game looks like Blitz. It plays like Blitz, and it has a couple of bad things about it. Like right there, you can't hit after the play, which was one of the biggest draws I loved from Blitz. The fact that you could just start elbow dropping and leg dropping people. But I mean, this game, it's about, I think it's 7-on-7. It's big hits. You could hit. There's no penalties. You can pass interference all you want. And pretty much pass interference is the only way you're going to be able to stop the offense. As you can see there, you got the flea flickers and you can pass it downfield. I used to love that. I have fond memories of these games on N64, in the arcades, or in a dark corner of a pizza parlor. And I mean, I love these type of games. They're just so fun. I love football games, but the arcade style football games like this, like NFL Extreme, NFL Blitz for the N64, and I think there's another one, Madden Arcade, which wasn't really as hard hitting and penalty wise, but it was still a pretty fun game. It was I think something like 240 Microsoft points or some shit. I don't know. I never really bought it, but I played the demo a few times at my friend's house, and it was really fun. But this game, it's well worth the money. You have a lot of different modes in there. You can just play your quick play, one game in and out, and the games are really quick. They take probably about 15 minutes to finish, which is a lot faster than a Madden game. So if you want to get a quick football fix on, these types of games are like where it's at. You can also do what's called a Blitz Elite team, where you basically it's kind of like Ultimate Team. You collect players and then you put them into collections, and when you finally get like a whole team or a whole conference, you can trade them in and you can get like even better upgraded players. So you can pretty much max out a team to play online. When you do that, it's a lot of fun. Right now, I'm playing in a mode called Blitz Gauntlet, which is basically like an old school style Mortal Kombat tournament. You just go through the ladders, you beat the teams, there's boss battles in there, and this is my first game right here. We're playing against the Miami Dolphins, and I'm playing with Michael Vick and the Eagles. We also got LaShawn McCoy and Deshaun Jackson on our squad, so I mean, it's a pretty decent squad. You can't really ask for a lot more than Deshaun Jackson, McCoy, and Macklin. So I mean, that's where it's pretty much at. But if you notice, I did cut out a lot where you pick the plays and whatever, because I mean, even though it takes a few seconds, I don't want to sit there and bore you guys with a whole 20-minute commentary while I'm picking plays and whatever. So we're just going to show you the plays for the first half. In the second half, nothing really happened except I threw 2 interceptions, stopped them a couple times from scoring, and I end the game out on a safety. I'm going to spoil that for you guys because it's freaking awesome. And this game came out at 7 o'clock this morning, January 4th, 2012, and I thought this game was actually going to be released on disc. And I was looking up, last night, I was like, when does this game come out? And I looked and I was like, oh my god, this game comes out today. So I got this game today in, like I said, 1,200 Microsoft points. You can't really beat that, especially when this game could probably easily sell for $60 in the store. It's a lot of fun. I think the reason why they're selling it as a downloadable title is because, number one, the last couple blitzes sucked ass and not many people want to really dump that type of money on it. But when they're going back to the old formula, I understand why they're going to, go back and play it as a 1,200 Microsoft point deal instead of a $60 deal. Battlefield, which would be a big risk. And we all know EA, they're not real big risk takers. Their games usually Their games are usually the same thing every year. I mean, you have the Battlefield update, which was big, but I'm talking about, like, you know, the Madden, the FIFA. Their games are basically just updates of old games that they've already been making for years on end. Because we all know Madden's been out for a long ass time, and Blitz right here, I'm actually glad EA picked this up, because if not, it would have been a dead series. And I was really waiting for this to come back just so I could play with my friends. I've had a lot of fun times with my friends in the basement. These games used to get up to about like 99 to 100 points in a game, which is fun, because that's the good thing about Blitz is, like, it's really hard to stop people unless you do a pass interference play. So, I mean, it's just pretty awesome. So the games are going to be high scoring, they're going to be high action. And, I mean, I'm going to bring you guys some footage of more of, like, the Elite Team Leagues and some of the cheats that you can put in before the games, because everybody remembers that. That's a really fun time. So I just really excited that this game came out. I actually set my alarm clock and woke up early just so I could buy this game when it comes out, because I've been waiting for something like this for like 10 years. So thanks, guys, for watching. This is NFL Blitz, my first video of it. And I want to thank you guys for watching. It's Jay, Morning After Kill, TGN Sports, and I'm going to see you guys later.